are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen it clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me, I just sit away, pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
Good morning. It is now Sunday on Mother's Day, and we went to Trader Joe's last night to try to get flowers for my mom, and they were literally sold out of like everything. There were like 2 bouquets left, so I decided I'd go the next morning to see if they had more in stock. So fingers crossed that we can find something good. Okay, I just got back from Trader Joe's. I got a bunch of flowers for my mom, and I think I'm gonna try to make a little bouquet. I am not the best at making bouquets, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I also got this sriracha from Trader Joe's because Aaron thinks it's better like than regular sriracha, and he doesn't have any, so I got that for him. Okay, so I got a couple of different little bouquets. I got these peony tulips, which are like, they're just like more leaves on the tulips, which are really cute. I got these mini daisies, these yellow thingies, some baby's breath. I figure we can get some variety in here and put something together. There is an Instagram called Flower Moxie. I think it's a florist who teaches you how to do DIY bouquets, because I really don't know like how to place flowers. There are a lot of tips on this page, but I just need like DIY bouquet 101. Okay, so you see this? She calls this the spiral method. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna try. I got you Trader Joe's.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, dude. How are you doing this morning?
Oh, this tulip broke. Cheers. For preparing Mother's Day brunch. I was a little too focused when I was doing the bouquet, but it turned out pretty cute. It's not perfect, but I think I did a pretty good job for not being very good at it. And then I put the rest of the flowers here in my little vase. I forgot you were a mother. Eat the flowers, it's your day. Hey Siri, is baby's breath toxic to cats? Oh, dang it. You can't eat it. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Good.
There's like a loose yolk in there that hasn't been broken.
So the real question is, what flowers are safe for cats? Roses, orchids, sunflowers, lilies, snapdragon. Okay, this one says tulips are safe for cats. But when I googled, are tulips toxic, it said yes. Roses says it can cause mild stomach upset but aren't incredibly toxic. So
It's no flowers for kitties.
I need to get her some cat grass.
All right.
Okay, it's time. Cheers. Happy Mother's Day. The steam.
Are you ready for more?
Yeah. I don't know how this vlog came together because it was kind of like a crazy weekend and I just tried to capture some stuff here and there, but thanks for watching. I have to pack for going out of town for work this week and it's just like gonna be a chaotic couple of weeks, but I'm going to Tennessee next week for a wedding, so I'm really excited and I'm gonna vlog that as well. So it's gonna be a solo trip and really fun, but I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.